Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Consider subscribing to the channel and leave your comments below. Remember, all suspects are innocent until proven guilty, and as always, enjoy the video. On November 21, 2019, officers with the Houston Police Department were chasing a stolen vehicle when it crashed into a fence. Suddenly and unpredictably, the black flash leapt from the vehicle and took off down the street at a breakneck pace. Unfortunately, this version of the Flash was about as slow as a manatee on land, and the boys in blue caught him planking in someone's backyard.
Put your hands right back. 7422. Put your hands right back. Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your fucking back.
So I'm going to go back to the original scene and secure the vehicle. White, Dodge, 3500 He's going to have my U-Haul. I need to unit 2, 10,000 cheese for the vehicle, white Dodge, 3500 Dually.
Come on, bro, stand up. Come on, stand up.
Around the way.
Stand up. Come on.
Yeah, I'm not saying everybody's in custody.
Come on.
They're going to be our own suspect. Thank you.
Yeah. Why'd you run? Why'd you run?
Let me introduce y'all to Isaiah Lovings. As of September 24, 2023, he is currently living in the lovely facility known as jail for an unrelated charge. He has been arrested for retaliation, unauthorized use of a motor vehicle, possession of a controlled substance, theft, aggravated assault, and evading. He sure has been busy for a 38-year-old. Wonder what's next for this scholar.
Yeah, why? Why'd you run?
What you fucking me for, man?
Come on, dude. Come on. I don't got time for this shit. Come on.
What you fucking me for?
Can you put 7434 big boys in that slip? That's when you reach out to your phone.
Is that his phone? Are you right?
It's your phone, right?
Yeah. Where's the fucking truck? Oh, it's over there? Yeah. I just kept flow rolling?
Sorry to interrupt, but there's something we need to discuss. What the fuck is this blueberry-looking ass house? Who the fuck would live in this? It's like Blue's Clues, but in the hood. Like a house built for goddamn Oompa Loompas. Okay, back to the video.
Fucking.
You right?
Put my hand on this fucking.
Sorry, bro. Yeah. I was trying to climb the fence, but then I'm like.
Come on, man.
But you ran all them stop signs. We went multiple stop signs, fam.
I ain't running no stop signs.
Bro, we saw you. Come on, man. Don't do that.
On camera.
We don't got time for that, bro. Come on. So you put the truck in neutral, got out, and you think that there's nothing weird about that? Unlock it. Unlock the shop. Give it again. What'd you drop? Hey, I'm gonna walk it again, and I'm gonna see what he dropped.
He was in the white Challenger. It was the owner of 7307 Orlando. Do me a favor, look for him. See if he dropped anything there. I thought I saw something come out the window there.
Is he hooking it up, bringing it back here? We need to run that plate.
AC10, the license plate's going to be Lincoln George Floyd, 8525.
What's y'all fucking with me for?
Come on, man. We don't got time for that.
I'm ordering cheese.
It's going to be at 7500 big boys.
What I do? What I do?
Why'd you run?
I'm ordering big boys.
Why'd you run? Alright, get inside shop.
Say what?
What happened?
You're evading arrest in a motor vehicle. You're on a stop sign. They lit you up. And you ran from them.
No, because I didn't know what was up.
Open it up so they can... You didn't know what was up? All right, man.
No, I ain't know.
And then this, you gotta stop.
Oh, no, this is what happened. No, I didn't know what was up.
Hey, you got an ID on you?
No, I ain't. Isaiah.
Isaiah what?
I didn't know what was up.
Isaiah what?
Isaiah Lovins.
How you spell Lovins?
Lovins.
Oh, like Lovins.
No, I seen the loud. Like, I don't know what. Yeah, I don't know what's up. I was just trying to get some weed to see. Oh, I ain't know what was up.
You don't got to run from the police.
My fault, bro. I ain't know what was up.
Yeah, man. Well, we still got to do an investigation. But I'm going to promise you're going to get an evading charge.
Well, like, evading on feet or something?
No, in a motor vehicle because you were in that truck.
Oh, damn.
It's no big deal. It's just a felony.
A felony?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Hey, let him clean your hands up. Yeah, man.
So I'm going to jail?
Yeah. I'm gonna clean your hand up. You ran from him, bro. Come on now. You've been doing this long enough that you know the rules.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
So I'm getting evading or what?
You're probably getting evading in a motor vehicle. We haven't called him yet, but that's what you'll probably get.
Oh man, that's bullshit.
Okay. You on parole?
No, man, oh shit, man.
Despite this man's protests, the court did not in fact think it was bullshit. In reality, the courts decided he should spend 2 years behind bars. At least he's going somewhere he's familiar with.
You got him? No. Hey.
Damn, man, my slippers and shit, dog.
Your what? Hey, let them check you out.
My slippers and shit, dog.
That's what you're worried. You'll get new ones in jail, man. You'll get your orange ones. Lovings. L-O-V.
Man, call my mama.
I-N-G-S. Man, don't tell me what to do.
First name?
What's your first name? Hey, what's his first name?
Isaiah.
Isaiah.
I-S-A-I-A-H. Get ready to go?
Right? Getting it in? If I do that, I get stuck. I can't.
Got it in.
What's bullshit, man?
What's bullshit about it, man? You ran from the police. That's pretty cut and dry.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Good, thank you. All right, let's have a seat, man.
Vehicle?
Yeah, man, let's go. Have a seat. Come on, man. How is this confusing to you? Why is this confusing? You literally drove away from the cops in a car.
Been arrested for the same shit before, bro?
Yeah, and then you let them catch you.
Yeah.
You didn't even let us get in on it.
I love how done with this guy shit the officers are. You love to see it. A complete repudiation of everything this dumbass says.
Call who? Your mom? All right, give us a minute.
Yeah, he has a good lengthy criminal history.
No way.
He's been caught.
No way.
He's never been caught many times.
Do you ever get away?
Why'd you jump out of the car while it's still moving?
Because I didn't know what was up.
Why are you running from the police then? We were just trying to stop you because you ran that stop sign.
Oh, I ain't know what was up.
You don't got to run from the police.
My fault, bro. I ain't know what was
No
up.
problem. That's all it was. I ain't even worried about it. Shut up, dog.
Oh, man, my fault then, dog.
But I just want the truth about the. I want the truth about the truck, man.
Oh, no, I had got it from a dope fiend. No. My fault, man. No, I had got it from a dope fiend. No, my fault, bro. Yo.
Next time you got to smoke over there.
Oh, man. God damn, dog.
All right, brother.
Appreciate y'all, bro. What's up, man? You all right?
What's up, man?
Yeah, I'll
Say
call you,
who?
Mom. I'll call you, Mom.
Please call him.
All right, you give me a second. I got some paperwork to do. Once I figure out if you're even going to jail, I'm gonna let you call and we'll talk to her. Okay? All right.
Please call him.
I promise you, I'll let you call. If you're cool with me, I'll be cool with you. All right?
He's doing some paperwork, right? We conduct an investigation.
A lot of stuff
you
going
put
on.
us through a whole lot of stuff, man. Okay, so now we got to do an investigation.
Take it up. Oh, never mind. Come on. You still Paru?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I get trouble with.
You got evading. All right.
Evading what?
Motor vehicle.
That's the only thing yet?
So what's going on?
Here, just okay.
Oh, he's just gonna put you in my car.
Yeah, she's gonna take you to the jail. Okay. You been in the new jail yet? It's pretty nice.
Can you call my mom for me, please?
Whose number is this?
Is her number in here?
Nah, I need to talk to my mom, man.
I'm gonna let you off to your mom.
Do you know her number?
I got some money in my pocket.
No.
Where my money is?
I don't know. Did you drop it?
Come on, man.
You got anything in your socks?
Ain't got no money in the pocket?
No.
Come on, man. So what I'm going to jail for?
You going to jail for evading in motor vehicle. Stop asking me, man. She's getting annoying, dude. Take a seat. Come on, man. You been cool this whole time. Don't start messing up now. Come on.
Come on.
I'll call your mama for you right now.
Please, man.
I got you. I got you.
You know her number?
I'll do it.
Yeah,
Right now.
man, please, man.
I got my
Come
phone.
on, please.
Is that who you want to emergency contact?
Yeah, please call her right now, man.
Okay, we're ready to go.
I can write everything down for you.
What's her number?
Bridget Johnson.
Brenda Johnson?
Bridget Johnson.
Bridget
Tell her
Johnson?
Come bomb me out, man.
All right.
Tell her come bomb me out, man. That nigga.
Okay. You born in Houston?
Yeah.
Okay. Any major medical issues?
I got a bullet in my back.
All right. I'll let you leave her a message if she doesn't answer, okay?
No, she don't answer. Mama! Man, they taking me to jail. Mama! They taking me to jail. I'm on homestead right now. Man, they got me for evading arrest. In a motor vehicle, man. That dope fiend, I told you I had a ride. Man, that dope fiend Slim, man, gave me a truck, man.
What in the ever-living Ebonics is he even saying? It's like he's speaking in fucking hieroglyphics. If you can translate, please leave a transcript in the comments below.
Say bye to her. You can't be too. Hey, man, this is officer with the Houston Police Department. Your son got caught in a stolen vehicle. He ran from officers when we tried to stop him. He jumped out on foot and ran on foot, and we caught him, okay? So he's going to be going to jail for evading in a motor vehicle, all right?
Evading a motor vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Mama! Mama!
He's going to be at the new jail downtown at JPC. Okay?
Mama!
Okay.
Mama! Man, y'all come bum me out, man.
All right.
You gonna bum me out?
You buckled in?
Yeah.
I'm going to see what I got to do.
All right, we got to go. We got to go. Say bye.
Mama!
We got to go. Hey, we got to go, man.
Okay,
All right. No problem. You have a good day.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you want to see more police interactions, subscribe to the channel or become a member to get early access to new videos. See y'all in the next one.